It's been a while since we moved in, and the next big goal for us was to finalize a few important furniture pieces, starting with the bed and sofa. We have been managing our nights on an airbed, but let's be honest, our late 20 bones really need a proper cushioned mattress for a good night's sleep. But finding the right bed isn't that simple. We needed something that fits our dream home vision and stays within budget, a combination that's not always easy to find. We began by measuring our room and then spent hours scrolling through websites, shortlisting options we liked. Since not all beds were available to view in nearby showrooms, we found ourselves on video calls with sales agents to better understand the details. A full UK tour just to test beds wasn't quite practical for us. After countless calls, endless browsing, and even using AI tools to visualize how different beds will look in our room, we finally narrowed it down to three finalists. There were plenty of discussions, comparisons, and thoughtful debates, but eventually we made the decision and placed the order. That part felt like a small win. But of course, a bed alone isn't enough. We needed a good mattress too, and that brought a whole new level of decision making. Did our research, compared different websites, read reviews, and finally choose the one that we felt would support our posture and sleep style.
We ordered our bed few weeks ago and it's finally here. And we finally be able to sleep on the bed. And this has been the sleeping situation so far. And that privacy wall, that was the air bed. We just got the call from the delivery guy and he's coming. Look at Nitesh, just waiting for him. Oh, here comes the ring. And he's running. He's so excited that he forgot the keys. And there he goes again. Nitesh has gone downstairs to guide them so that they can come up. And I'm just here standing near the gate holding the door. Oh, we have not taken out the ribbon yet. I was just new like the first day. It's my work from home today. I just messaged my manager that I can't take the call because my bed is coming. Oh, and they are so nice. And she's like, okay, please go take the delivery and then come back and we can have the call. And then ta-da, 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 ta-da. It's taking some time for them. Oh, no. It looks bigger than it actually is. We're keeping the room ready for them to come. And I've still got some boxes that I've not unboxed. I've collected so much of stuff over the year and I don't have any more space to keep it. I don't know what to do. Should I squeeze them? I mean, it's not even close. There's a lot of other stuff as well that you can squeeze. Just messaged me that not all of the boxes can come via lift. So we'll have to figure that out, how we will bring that box up. I assume it's going to be huge. He just messaged me with teary eyes. Yeah, we were actually hoping that everything would come via the lift. Struggles, you gotta deal with it. Usually they don't even come up to your room to deliver the box. We opted for the room delivery and hence they're coming up. Otherwise it would have been delivered till the entrance of the building. But we knew that it was going to be huge and Nitesh and I would not have been able to bring everything up by ourselves. So we opted for delivery in the room.
Everything else they've taken in the lift. I think this is one of the biggest piece which they couldn't fit it in the lift. They were wondering if it will fit or not. So height wise it's fine, but width wise it's not. So we have to figure it out a way.
I think they're coming. I can hear the voices.
That's right.
Hi.
Oh, yeah?
Sorry, yeah.
Where are we going?
Yeah, just inside the room.
You alright talking
Yeah.
with your shoes?
Yeah, it's alright. Just not on the carpet, please. Can you just leave it there, like from the outside?
Yeah, outside?
Yeah, I think it's
Okay.
fine. Just inside the room, please. This was the big piece. The boxes are here, and this was the bigger one that couldn't get through the lift, of course. Well, it's huge. We were expecting like 3-4 boxes, but these are too many. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then there's 6. So I'm expecting like 3 or 4 maximum. I think this one has the headboard. That's why it's huge. And now we know what will be the big task for us. It's Friday today, and we're going to start making it maybe on Saturday. Nitesh is here with the second round of deliveries. What is this?
These are curtain tracks from IKEA. Got few more deliveries to come in. I think there's 2 more for Dunham.
Yeah.
That's it, right?
And then we have
Then there's another one which was supposed to be delivered today but somehow got lost. So it will be delivered on Monday or maybe tomorrow. That would be something interesting and something we were thinking for a while to get it done.
also we have got the groceries coming in.
Oh yeah, there's a groceries coming in today as well. Oh, back and forth. But yeah, this is what a new house owners look like. They receive multiple packages and then they set it up over weekends. That's what our plan is for tomorrow.
Also, you can see our privacy wall there.
Since we didn't had any curtains, so the thing is that the builder that we bought our flat with, they offer a complimentary handyman service which sort of installs all the blinds together. So we were waiting for all the deliveries to come in before we actually booked his appointment. Until then, we didn't want to stick newspaper. Like, I didn't want to stick the newspapers.
I was okay with it, honestly.
I didn't look good.
I want to get my privacy, please.
Yeah, it didn't look good. So we had this empty boxes privacy wall, which we were sort of using when we were eating or sleeping or nothing.
It was Nitish's idea.
It serves the purpose,
It's a
right?
privacy wall, and we have a name for it. It is a privacy wall.
Exactly.
Okay.
Privacy wall of boxes.
Let's have lunch now. I'm hungry.
We are still waiting for our mattress to come, which will come in few days. But we will try to install the bed before so that as soon as mattress comes, we will be able to sleep on the bed.
Weekend is here. It's already 3 p.m. and we've not started assembling the bed yet. But let's see how much time it's gonna take. Starting it now. All of these are packed currently. I'm not sure which one has what. So we're going to go through each one of them one by one and see where the manual is actually. I can't see the manual. Do you see it?
Yeah, I think let's just check online. I think there must be some installation guide. Yeah, it's just a lot of boxes. We don't know which one is the first one to pick up. So I think hopefully we'll find something and we'll get it done today. That's our hope.
goal.
That's our thing.
Let's see how many hours it's gonna take.
Yeah. And it's our first time installing a bed in the UK. So just keeping that in mind as well.
In the UK? In a lifetime.
Yeah, exactly. In our lifetime.
It is pretty common in UK that they assemble their bed themselves.
Cool. Let's start. All set for...
Yes, already tying my hair back in a bun. Let's start the work now. So we can't find the manual anywhere. So I'm just checking the website if there's any PDF there. I've checked the whole page, but I can't find the manual. I'm not sure where to start.
I think let's just open the smaller one first. Hopefully there should be a manual.
So there are some information written on these boxes, but again, we don't know where the manual is. Let's find that, Mr. Dubey.
No, that's all. I think we'll give it a go and then reach out to you if we are stuck anywhere. We called DFS just to know where the instruction manual is. They didn't actually know where it is, but they told us it will be in one of the boxes, most likely in the headboard one, but we'll have to open all of them. We'll start with the headboard first, but yeah, if it's not in there, we have to open all of them just to make sure it's in either of them. If not, then we'll have to call them again just to get the instruction manual. Yeah, let's start with installation and see where it goes. So this is the bigger one with the headboard in it. So you have to open it first and it will go there. So I'm just thinking if we take all these out, move it there and then open it. So it's just fixed in its place in one go instead of just lifting and then placing it.
Yeah, I think that would be more.
I think you can drag. Yeah, starting with the bigger one. It's too heavy. Yeah, I think they place it like this because it's standing and we can just straight away put it to use instead of...
Did we see which side was up, supposed to be up? Is this one?
We can figure it out once it opens because apparently there are instructions in the box and she mentioned it should be clearly visible. Can you see a manual? Can you see inside? It's almost your height.
We didn't find the manual in the box.
Yeah, so we couldn't find the manual in this box, but we still have 5 more to go. I think she just mentioned it might be in one of them. So let's just continue opening the rest until we find one.
Yes!
But how difficult can it actually be to install a bed?
We will see that.
We will see.
Let's see how many hours it takes.
Finally, when we lost all hope of getting the manual, we got it. It was in the 4th or 5th box.
Gosh, at least now we'll know where to start.
So there were so many boxes, and they were big boxes, so it was actually taking up so much space, so we were not able to work freely. Now we are taking all the boxes outside a flat so that we have ample of space to work on. Not many people have moved lobby to sort of temporarily hold the boxes, and we'll just throw it all together. All the boxes are gone now. This is the big one, but we do have a lot of space to work on now. Now we started at 3 p.m. It's almost 6:10, and we were just only able to set this structure up.
It's a good progress. Almost done. It took a lot of time, but I think we are at good speed.
Once this is done, we just need to assemble this. Basically, we just need to add all of these things together to make it a bed. This one took a lot of time, especially where the space was not, because of the boxes, it was all occupied. Let's just finish this up, and hopefully we'll be done today with the bed itself. And then once mattress will arrive, I will finally sleep on bed for after like 3-4 weeks. And this will be our new privacy wall until we got it, which will also be done by Friday at least.
Yeah.
We will set up the tracks on the ceiling, and then we'll buy curtains soon as well. Yeah, we were just waiting for the bed to come to just make sure that we are buying the right curtain so that it matches with the bed as well. Cool, Priya, let's just get it done.
Nearly the end, Bish. Keep going. It is all coming together.
It looks easy when you're actually looking at it. It was just 12 steps. I think now we have to just fix this one within this. So we just lift it from there and let's just try to make it.
Yeah, very simple. This and that. That's all.
Yeah, exactly. Just easy peasy. Finally, we are done with the bed. How many hours it took us?
I'm tired.
It's 7:37. We started at 3, but it took us a lot to get the manual first. The middle portion of this was difficult, but now it's all set up. It's looking nice. Just waiting for the mattress. Once we have that, we'll reveal the final look, but it's looking nice. This is what we were expecting. So we were slightly tired after that big assembly of our bed, so we Ubered Szechuan noodles and Manchurian. I think one of the, I would not say good, but one of the perks of this new flat is that it's closer to many Indian or Indo-Chinese restaurants. So we do have quite an option to actually order things. In our last flat, there were not many Indian restaurants nearby, so we were restricted to not eat outside. I'm not gonna comment if it's a good thing, but at least it's
available when you need it.
Yeah,
So it's a convenience.
Yeah, it's actually very helpful when you are tired like today. So we're gonna enjoy it looks delicious as well. So we're gonna enjoy, and
The mattress is here. We'll open this and put this in the bed later this evening, and then we'll finally sleep on the bed. It doesn't look very heavy. Can't wait to sleep on this. The bed is waiting for it to be occupied.
we are learning a lot through this journey. Some things we are surprisingly comfortable with, and some things we are still figuring it out as we go. Sometimes days of research still leave us unsure, and sometimes the very first thing that we saw ends up being the perfect fit. We finally managed to set up our bed, and we are looking forward to have some restful nights ahead. See you in the next one. Until then, cheers.